Hey guys, I took my bike. Today was about like 35 degree, but it's been a while. I didn't ride my bike, so I just want to get some cold start. You can see I was mentioning about some painting, and I just changed that lighting. I will show you real quick, but I just want to let you know how beautiful the lighting is. It's nice, and this is my bike. So let's go ahead, do some upgrade. As you can see, this is lighting. It's gonna come on. Watch the motor start. Just the four exhaust, CP shifter up and down. Look at this. It's really gorgeous. You see, and this is the high beam. You can go high beam. Really nice. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys like it. As I said in my previous video, it is motor dynamic. That's what they have. So take care. Merry Christmas.